What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download the Gorilla Tag Horror game. First off, I'm going to establish what you need. What you need is a VR headset, you need a link cable, you need side quests, and you need a computer. You don't need a really good computer, you just need a good enough computer to download and install files and side quests. Okay, so now that y'all know what you need, let's get into the video. Now what you're going to do is go to this website that I have linked in the description and press the download button. Once that happens, it should be downloading in the top right hand corner, and once that is done downloading, go to your files and check if it did download. Just go to your download file and it should be the first one that pops up. For me, it is. Now what you're going to do is open SideQuest. If you don't have SideQuest, I'll link a video in the description on how to set that up, but that's not for this video. Once you open SideQuest, get your cord and plug it into both your headset and your computer. Make sure your VR headset is on at this point. Once they're both plugged in, go into your headset and click the allow button on this screen. You have to do this to transfer the files. Once you've done this, it should say in the left top corner that it is connected with a green light. Now what you're going to do is press install APK file from computer like done on screen. Then click the icon, go over to the downloads file and click the Gorilla Tag Horror APK file. If you've done everything correctly, it should say it's installing on your computer. Once it's finished downloading, you should be able to go into your headset and find the game in your unknown sources. And there you go, now you have Gorilla Tag Horror to play and be scared and have jump scares. I really don't recommend it, but still. Yeah, so subscribe.